What's up, guys? Here's Fat Pat with another video. Today we're gonna do animal blocks. Sorry I haven't been posting, doing stuff. It's for me. I think what is it? It's winter break. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to pretty much get gems and animal blocks if you guys are struggling. So you want to go in the chaos country. What you need? Pistol, pickaxe, bag, and you need TNT. What you want to do, I'll show you all the spots, good spots. Then you want to go to this spot right here. It's right there. If you come up right here, go like right here, top of here, you're going to find this little bit. You dig down. You try to uncover at least the whole side of it. Like, see how I'm doing? Like, there's more right here. So, see that? If you, like, go over, like, place blocks, all of them don't fall, then you want to grab your TNT. Boop, 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 boop. You just want to fill the whole place up with, like, TNT. I got, like, 50, so I could use a lot. You kind of want to go away, then you just want to shoot it with the pistol. Then a lot of it disappears really fast. I don't know why. Like, I was able to get a full bag. I'd recommend carrying like 2 bags on you of stuff just for that ore vein. But now, dump it out. Let's check. I was at 501 before this. Yeah. So, 65 things are just ore. Then you grab. I'd recommend carrying 2 bags on you, just because it would be easier. You always want to have your 1 bag just in your offhand. Like, I'm gonna do this vein. Ugh. Mine. That's like the biggest vein. And TNT, 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 TNT. Yeah, all my stuff is gonna despawn. So, let's go buy more stuff. Alright, that's paused. Just killed myself on accident. By the way, guys, like, just get back. I don't know how that killed me. I think I jumped towards it. Then you go back. If you get killed, sucks to suck, but all your shit's gonna despawn because they're like autistic. Made the despawn time like 1,000. So pretty much instant despawn after like 5 or 6 seconds. Then this vein. Then just place all this TNT. Look, all that. Then my gun despawned somehow. I think it's this one. For me, I would just like stick with one bag, preferably military backpack. Let me get a purple ore. Let me go get a purple and a red ore. Purple's right here. Got TNT. Just skip all this. It's no big veins if you guys can get it if you want. I want to mine out these 2 veins because I haven't mined out these yet. How big are these veins? Oh my god, this is like one of the huge veins. Yeah, this is like the hugest, like the biggest vein I think I have dug today. Except the blue vein. That blue vein I just dug. Okay. What about above? Any more above? I'm just gonna do that. And just any TNT. Step back, grab your bag out. Fuck. Let's go back to spawn. Throw that in. Okay. Then grab a gun. And we go grab another purple. This is one of the, then there's like, the only ones I really mine is these, because these are the biggest veins. Dude, you just leave your pickaxe, those are free. Then yeah. We started at 620. Yeah, like, it's so good, the veins. They're just huge veins. Then another way is let's go back to the lobby.
Check out what I just brought from our Chinese friend.
Oh yeah. You cut that part out then. Please. Other good way is Doc's Arena. Each kill gives you like 3 to 4 diamonds. Another good way is doing your quests, like treasures.
Wake up!
I keep going on YouTube. Try to find that. I don't know where that is. Doing your quests. 14 minute. You get, each day you get 100 for logging in. You kill 10 spiders. Like, doing your quest outlet, it gives you 200. Then, like, mining out here too. Good. But never buy weapons. Only buy like a handgun and like a scythe if you're going out.
Wake up!
Oh. No. But Oh, and that is pretty good in my opinion. I don't know any else good ways to like get money. Let me get on. Speed run, I don't know. But that's good. Arena.
Wake up in the morning.
This is a really good way. But that's really all. Excuse me. I don't know any else good methods. I don't. So, if you know, just comment. But, see you on the next video. Oh, and guys, have a Merry Christmas.